Everyone. In the last lecture, we had begun with a grammar topic, direct and indirect speech. Correct? Now we had seen the basics of it, and today we are going to go further. Okay? If you have any doubts or if you want to answer any questions that I ask, you can message me in the account of Rajvi Thakkar. All right? Since I'll share my screen here, you can message me in the account of Rajvi Thakkar. Now very quickly. ओके लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था कि डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा वाला होता है वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच होता है एंड जो कोई भी पंक्चुएशन बिना का होता है वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच होता है करेक्ट नाउ when you are changing from direct to indirect speech we had seen the 5 major types of changes that we had to do. Am I correct? The 5 major types of change. Now, what are these changes? I feel that you have written it down very well. Okay. You have to remove punctuations, you have to add connective, you have to change pronoun, tense, and then certain words relating to time and distance. All of them have to be changed. Okay. Now, just a second. All right. Okay. So we had seen this, right? So if we are going to change a tense, I had asked you that present changes to corresponding past. Yes, my dear Mayank, we'll do grammar only. Okay? I hope you can see my screen now. All right. Okay. So last time हम लोग ने देखा था present changes to corresponding past. इसका simple meaning होता है अगर simple present है तो simple past, present continuous है तो past continuous, present perfect है तो past perfect, present perfect continuous जो है जो aspect है वो as it is रहेगा, सिर्फ present से past कर दो, that's it. Okay, so when you have to change the present tense inside the inverted commas, it changes like this. All right. वेदांत फ्रॉम पार्ला माय डियर, हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम ये टॉपिक बिगिन किया था, आज कंटिन्यू करके खत्म करेंगे, ठीक है? डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वी हैड begun the last lecture only. Okay, moving on. So present changes to perfect past. Now now when it comes to past, okay, just write it down again. I had dictated it to you the last time itself. क्या होता है, सिंपल पास्ट का पास्ट परफेक्ट हो जाता है. देखो, इफ यू सी द 4 aspects of your past tense, okay, you have simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. इसमें 4 नाम में से 2 में परफेक्ट है, 2 क्या है, 2 परफेक्ट है, दूसरे 2 परफेक्ट नहीं है. मतलब जो दूसरे 2 परफेक्ट नहीं है उनको अपन को परफेक्ट करना है. ओके, सो सिंपली simple past changes to past perfect, whereas past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. You only have to add perfect. Very clear with this? So I ate sweets ka had eaten, ate ka had eaten hoga, was eating ka had been eating hoga. Am I very clear with this? The last part is not given here, it is missed. Okay, no, it's there. I'm so sorry. नहीं है. अच्छा, very clear with this one? Okay, I'll repeat. So I feel we are very clear with. Yes, I'll repeat. Don't worry, guys. बेटा हम लोग ने प्रेजेंट टू पास्ट कैसे चेंज करते हैं वो तो बराबर से सीखा है. If you again look very clearly and properly, you will see that प्रेजेंट टू पास्ट बहुत ही इजी है, करेक्ट, एज यू कैन सी करस्पॉन्डिंग जाता है, इतना समझा। तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सिंपल पास्ट, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. I feel everybody, are you guys with me? Is this very very clear to you? इसमें कोई डाउट है? All right, all right, so we have no doubts here. Okay, now let us see कि अगर past tense है, past tense, okay, and we have to change the past tense. Okay, now let us see how it changes. So one example is given here. Okay, अगर आपका डायरेक्ट स्पीच जो है बेटा वो अगर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में है तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में होगा. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल नेहा सेड कॉमा आई एट स्वीट्स, तो ऐसा होगा कि नेहा सेड दैट शी हैड ईटन स्वीट्स, हैड ईटन. ऑलराइट, देखो कैसे याद रखते हैं उसकी टेक्निक मैंने अभी आपको बताई. ठीक है, सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में वर्ड परफेक्ट नहीं है, तो अपन को क्या करना है, उसको परफेक्ट बनाना है. क्लियर? सो सिंपल पास्ट में मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं उसको परफेक्ट करूंगी, मतलब मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं उसको पास्ट परफेक्ट करूंगी. ओके, अगर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है, लेट मी से, ओके, लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. नेहा सेड कॉमा, सुनो बराबर से, नेहा सेड कॉमा आई वॉज ईटिंग स्वीट्स. ठीक है, नेहा सेड आई वॉज ईटिंग स्वीट्स. ना वॉज ईटिंग क्या हुआ बेटा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस हुआ. ठीक है, उसका क्या होगा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक इट परफेक्ट. ऑलराइट, और जो ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट है उसको चेंज करने की जरूरत है. कोई भी चीज अगर परफेक्ट होती है तो आप चेंज करते हो, नहीं करते. करेक्ट. अच्छा, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, नेहा सेड कॉमा आई वॉज ईटिंग स्वीट्स, नेहा सेड दैट शी हैड बीन ईटिंग स्वीट्स, शी हैड बीन ईटिंग स्वीट्स. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? All right, so now another example. Just listen to me clearly, it is not given here, just listen to me. अगर आपका डायरेक्ट स्पीच में सेंटेंस है बेटा, नेहा सेड कॉमा आई हैड ईटन स्वीट्स. ओके, अगेन नेहा सेड कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा है आई हैड ईटन स्वीट्स. Had eaten is past perfect tense. Okay, had eaten is past perfect tense, therefore the tense will not change because वो already perfect है. ठीक है, तो आंसर आएगा नेहा said that she had eaten sweets, she had eaten sweets. No change in tense here. One more thing, अगर दूसरा सेंटेंस, okay, नेहा said comma in the inverted comma I had been eating sweets. नेहा said comma inside the inverted commas आपका sentence है I had been eating sweets. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Now the tense here is past perfect continuous tense. It is past perfect continuous tense. It is already perfect. पास्ट में वो परफेक्ट है, उसको चेंज मत करो. ठीक है, सो नेहा सेड दैट शी हैड बीन ईटिंग स्वीट्स, एज इट इज नो चेंज इन टेंस. बाकी जो प्रोनाउन में चेंज करना होता है वो ऑब्वियसली करना ही पड़ता है, जो कॉमा पंक्चुएशन वो जो अलग होता है दैट इज देयर, बट यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज द टेंस. ओके, सो नेहा सेड दैट शी हैड बीन ईटिंग स्वीट्स. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? नाउ डू यू हैव एनी डाउट्स हियर? Okay, somebody is asking me when we use been or being in the sentence. Now being or been आपको confusion generally होना चाहिए when you are dealing with change the voice. Right now if you're doing been is a word that we use ओके, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड, मिस्टर बीन, जो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, वो टेंस में आता है और वो हमेशा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, सॉरी परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस जो टेंस होता है, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का जो एस्पेक्ट है उसमें हमेशा बी डबल ई बीन आता है. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? All right. Now moving on. So you can simply write in your notebook. I'll just show you. You can simply write simple. ये ऐसे तो simple past changes to past perfect. और वो change होता है किसी में भी नहीं. ठीक है? Again past continuous होता है past perfect continuous में, और वो change होता है किसी में भी नहीं. Very clear with this? Beta being being is used, that is a different thing right now. Don't confuse yourself with different topics. Being is generally used when we deal with change the voice. Okay, वो being continuous के लिए use होता है. ठीक है, ठीक है. Very clear with this? Anirudh Tripathi from DN Nagar, last warning to you, my dear. जो पास्ट परफेक्ट में है वो चेंज नहीं होता. वेरी क्लियर? यस यस. ओके, मूविंग ऑन नाउ. या सो नाउ yes, only focus on B in na beta here. There is no point in anything else. Now just a second. Anil Tripathi, I'm removing you. Okay. Now let us see change in modal auxiliaries. Okay. When following modal auxiliaries appear in reported speech. ठीक है. How are we going to change them? So please give your heading change in modal auxiliaries. Sneha from Ghatkopar, you are asking me if I'm teaching tenses, my dear. Direct and indirect speech में tenses, they form a very very important part. So if you don't know that past tense क्या होता है, present perfect क्या होता है, तो फिर आपको सब कुछ ऊपर से जाएगा. तो because I'm using so many terms, so many tenses right now, it is because it depends upon that. Okay. Okay, moving on very quickly. So when the following modal auxiliaries appear in the reported speech, your can will change to could. तो बहुत easy है. पहले बराबर से सुन लो. Can, could, will, will, would, shall, should, may, might. Is this very easy? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. Clear? I'll repeat. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. Very clear with this? So the first one, Neha said, comma, I can drive का हो जाएगा. Neha said that she could drive. Very clear with this? Please copy this down very quickly. All right. Next. Will changes to would. So Neha said, comma, I will help her. Neha said that she would help her. Clear with this? Neha said that she would help her. Next. Shall changes to should. The paper shall be easy. Neha said that the paper should be easy. Clear with this? I feel this is really, really easy. Neha said, comma, I may come to the party. उसका हो जाएगा नेहा said that she might go to the party. Now guys, there is another change here. Can you tell me what is the change? What is another change in this sentence? Yes, very clearly, very good. So come ka go ho gaya. Why? Because you're always remember that whenever in your reported speech you have the verb come, uska indirect speech mein the verb becomes go. Okay, again go का वो नहीं होता, go का कम नहीं होता, ठीक है. So I may come to the party, उसका change हो जाएगा. नेहा said that she might go to the party. Very clear with this? रोहित बोगले, my dear, I feel I speak English well. It not speak proper English, ऐसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. Okay, moving on. Please take a screenshot of this slide very quickly. All right. Okay. Okay. Somebody has a doubt. If अगर आपके सेंटेंस में पहले से अगर ऐसा होता, ओके, लेट अस सी. अगर आपके सेंटेंस में पहले से ऐसा होता, नेहा सेड आई मे गो टू द पार्टी, उसका आंसर होता नेहा सेड दैट शी माइट गो टू द पार्टी. ओके, उसका चेंज नहीं होता. ओके, गो का एज इट इज रहता है, कम का गो होता है. Very clear? Okay, moving on. I hope you have taken a screenshot. I know, my dear, there are a lot of fake profiles in today's meeting, but I'm unable to help it because in case if I try and do that na, पूरा time अपना उसमें waste हो जाएगा. So I'm really trying to focus. It's difficult for me to hear. Okay, they are continuously spamming me. So इतना irritate होता है ना रे. Wait, I'll do one thing. Thank you for such great suggestions, my dear. Thank you very much. मैं लॉक मीटिंग कर देती हूँ. Thank you. Okay, and let me remove once and for all. नहीं चाहिए दे. कौन है, कौन सता रहा है? Please just message. रोहित करके कोई है. गाट को पर रोहित तो नहीं है ना? I don't think so. Raj Patel, please add your center name. DN Nagar Rohit left. Okay, see. Grisha Shah spam ID है. चलो चलो चलो. अच्छा रे, Okay, let me see. I'm not locking the meeting because वापस आपको आपने जैसा बोला आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा. Let me see. I've just kept on the waiting room. Okay. ठीक है चलो. Let us please focus on. Okay, can you tell me who is this Grishma from JB Nagar? So many people are there then. This is a task. All right. हाँ. So should वाला part ऐसा था कि अगर कोई भी shall है, okay, if you have shall, it changes to should. Okay. So as you can see here, Neha said, comma, the paper shall be easy. Neha said that the paper should be easy. Very clear with this? All right. Any doubts here? Now moving on. Okay, Hitesh, Vaibhav, all of you, we have already done this part. Go का go रहता है, सिर्फ कम का go change होता है, ठीक है? All right. Moving on. अरे my dear, please listen to me. I may come to the party का she might go to the party होता है, मतलब direct speech में कभी कम हुआ तो indirect में it becomes go, but if it is vice versa, it doesn't work like that. In case you have I may come, sorry, I may go to the party, तो ऐसा ही होगा. The sentence will be Neha said that she might go to the party as it is. Go का change नहीं होता कम, ठीक है? Okay. Now moving on. I hope you have taken a screenshot. All right, moving on. Now change direct to indirect. Come on. Now please answer this. Supriya said, comma, I am writing a book on dieting. जल्दी से आंसर दीजिए. Also keep on writing, do not stop, and message me here for the answers. Okay. Supriya is correct. Very good. Most of you guys are correct. Very good. Very good. Aldrin D'Souza from JB Nagar, my dear, please check your answer. It is wrong. Ojas Sakpal from Vikroli. Others are correct. Let us see the answer. Now my tense here. Okay, सबसे पहले said जो reporting verb है वो past tense में है and therefore it will change the reported speech का tense will change. Now let us see. Am writing becomes was writing because it is a present continuous. It simply becomes past continuous tense. Okay. There's a mistake here. पीछे inverted comma नहीं आएगा. Okay. Next. Kevin said to Aryan, I have been trying to dance since years. Come on, very quickly answers, please. Kevin said to Aryan, I have been trying to dance since years. So, Kevin told Aryan that he was okay. He had been trying. Calista from Saidam, my dear, check your answer. You're not correct. Priyanka, you're not correct. Deander from JB Nagar, no, your answer is not correct, my dear. Shrey from Ghatkopar. Krish from Ghatkopar. All right. See, now here Kevin said to Aryan. Said to past tense है, said past tense है, मतलब अंदर का tense change होगा. Okay. Now I have been trying. Have been trying here. If you see, have been trying is present perfect continuous tense, which becomes past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So have been trying का simply had been trying हो जाता है, क्योंकि present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Okay. तो was नहीं होगा, have been का had been हो जाएगा. ठीक है. जिसने has का has as it is रखा है, that is also incorrect. All right. Moving on. Samir said, I spoke to John yesterday. अच्छा, another doubt here. जब भी said होता है तभी आप said as it is लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, वो चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर किया तो इनकरेक्ट नहीं है. बट whenever there is said to, it always compulsory becomes told. Okay, said to अगर आया तो told आ जाएगा, because Kevin said to Aryan that ऐसा correct नहीं है. So Kevin told Aryan that. Very clear with this? Come on, the next one, Samir said that he. Now look at the tense. Okay, said है मतलब you have to change the tense since it is in past tense. Now I spoke to Aryan. The word spoke here, the tense of this sentence is simple past tense. Now simple past tense changes into, you have to make it perfect, right? So past perfect. Okay. Samir said that he had spoken to John the previous day. Now a lot of you have written yesterday, जो wrong है, but I am not blaming you for it because अपन ने सीखा नहीं है अभी तक. So I have not told you if you are right or wrong. इसीलिए मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बोला इसमें. Okay, there are some people who have very nicely changed yesterday into the day before, which is correct. तो yesterday जो जैसे now का then हुआ था, वैसे yesterday का दो options है अपने पास, the day before या the previous day. All right, very clear with this? Right now I am just focusing on the tense. जिसने भी he spoke लिखा है, जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने लिखा है, वो incorrect है. He spoke to John. Wrong है. He had spoken to John. Very clearly. Okay, why is Meet Panchal constantly messaging me? Ma'am, admit the students in the waiting room. ठीक है. Now what will happen? They'll constantly my God, कितने सारे हैं? Okay, next. The teacher said a stitch in time saves 9. Come on. Yesterday का day before लिख सकते हैं, मैंने just अभी बताया था. The teacher का और teacher मत करो. The teacher is as it is. All right. Okay, so yes, most of you are correct. Since the reported speech is a proverb, the tense will not change. No word of it will change. Okay, so the teacher said as it is. Okay, the teacher said that a stitch in time saves 9. You don't have to make a single change here. Okay, the teacher said that a stitch in time saves 9. Very clear with this? All right. So tense of reported speech does not change because it is a proverb. Now next, she said, comma, she said, comma, they may have read as you like it. She said, comma, they may have read as you like it. Come on, answers, please. Rahul, let me ask you questions. Why are you asking me questions? And let us solve your doubts at the end of it. Let me see if children know the answer of this question. Okay. Okay, she said that. So here, guys, you have to make a very small little change. Correct? एक ही change करना है. Lavanya from Saidam, you're incorrect, my dear. They has read कैसे आएगा? गणेश पटदे. पटादे, I'm so sorry. ठीक है? Yes, may का might होता है, may का must नहीं होता. She said, comma, they may have read as you like it का आंसर है. She said, comma, they might have read as you like it. So you're not changing anything, my dear. You're not changing anything. You're just changing may to might. That's it. Modal auxiliary जो है वो may से might हो जाता है. Very clear with this? Also, there are some mistakes, there are typos in my answers. वो पीछे इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स खत्म हो रहा है, चालू ही नहीं हुआ तो खत्म कैसे होगा? करेक्ट. तो देयर इज अ टाइपो, वो पीछे इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स नहीं है. ठीक है. ऑल राइट, मूविंग ऑन. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस वेरी क्विकली. Kevalia, very good. I'm so proud. If you have received 4 and 5, okay, great. Can I write? She said that they might read it. नहीं, might have read का might have read ही होता है. ठीक है. Come on, very quickly. Please take a screenshot. All right, moving on. Okay. Now, how are you going to change pronouns here? Okay. Let us see. Let us see. Now, give another topic, change in pronoun. Now, the pronouns in reported speech. See, guys, one, सबसे पहली बात, ये अपन normally करते हैं. इसके लिए कोई ऐसे as such, there are no different rules. Because, I'll give you an example. जब भी मैंने बोला, नेहा said, comma, I eat sweets. Correct? उसका हम लोग ने क्या किया? नेहा said that she, तो अपन ने नेहा का जो I था वो she में अपने आप से convert कर दिया because it is easy. All right, very clear with this. So let us see, the pronouns in reported speech change according to subject or the object of the reporting verb. It's okay if you don't understand this. Let us look at the example. Now, he said to her, he, एक लड़के ने लड़की से कहा, I don't know where they have seen you. Okay, now please, if you know, please give me the answers. He said to her, I don't know where they have seen you. Your I means the guy, male, okay. दे का दे as it is रहेगा. You जो है वो किससे बात कर रहा है? Who is the listener? The listener is a female. Correct? तो you का her हो जाएगा. Okay, most of you are incorrect. अरे बेटा, अपन अगर प्रोनाउन चेंज कर रहे हैं तो मतलब टेंस का भी तो ध्यान में रखो. जिसने भी डोंट या डजंट यूज किया, यू गाइस आर इनकरेक्ट. लेट अस सी. So we have 3 pronouns here inside the inverted comma, first, second and third person. Correct? I is first person, you is second person and they is third person. Okay. Now you know this very. Okay. Now outside the inverted comma, he said to her. So subject speaker जो है and object listener है. ठीक है. Let us see. So he told her का as it is होगा. He told her. said to का अभी बोला था, he told to नहीं होगा, he said to नहीं होगा, said to चेंज होके सिर्फ told आता है, ठीक है. said to का चेंज होके सिर्फ told आता है. so he said to her का होगा he told her that. I का चेंज होके आएगा he, correct, he. now did not know, don't know is simple present tense. Simple present tense changes into simple past tense. Therefore don't know का didn't know आएगा. जिन्होंने भी doesn't या वो लिखा है they are incorrect. all right, all right. After that where they का they as it is रहेगा because see here, wait just a second, ये third person है, third person as you can see, this is the third person, इसका no change है, ठीक है. so he did not know where they had seen her. Very clear with this? You can take a screenshot of this slide. Aldrin D'Souza, my dear, वापस थोड़ी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, एक बार आंसर देख लो. ओके okay, please copy it down, take a screenshot. So the correct answer, final answer is he told her that he did not know where they had seen her. Have changes to had, so had seen, sorry, have seen का had seen भी हो जाएगा. Very clear with this? Come on, now moving on. My teacher said to me, you shall not enter the class. अभी मेरी टीचर ने किससे वो पूछा, मुझे पूछा, करेक्ट. सो माई टीचर सेड टू का टोल्ड आ जाएगा. यू शैल, यू मतलब आई, करेक्ट, यू मतलब आई. सो आई शैल का शुड नॉट एंटर द क्लास एज इट इज. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज द लिसनर एंड दिस इज सेकंड पर्सन. ओके, very clear. I should not enter the class. Very clear with this? Next, the boy said, comma, I saw you at the party last night. Okay, now listen to me very properly, huh? The boy said, okay, the speaker is a boy. Now come on, what do you think is the gender of the listener? Listener कौन है, लड़की या लड़का? जल्दी से. He. Why he? Not given, it is not given, correct. So here in the third sentence we know कि listener, sorry, speaker is a boy but listener कोई भी हो सकता है, correct. It is not given, it is not mentioned here. Okay, so the boy said that I का ही हो जाएगा because वो first person के लिए use है. So is a simple past tense which changes into past perfect tense. Okay, now the boy said that he had seen you का ही या him, sorry, him या her कुछ भी हो सकता है. Why? Because the listener could be a boy or a girl. Clear? So I saw you, he had seen her या he had seen him at the party the previous night. Very clear with this? Last night का the previous night हो जाता है. Them use नहीं कर सकते. Me नहीं कर सकते. Me क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Because ऐसा नहीं दिया है the boy said to me. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? Okay, let us see. So because there is no, so him, your or her. Now आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है. आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं लिखना, आपको दोनों में से कोई भी एक आपको जो ठीक लगे वो लिख दो तो करेक्ट होगा, ठीक है. The boy said that he had seen her at the party the previous night. Very clear with this. So I changes to he, which is clear because we know the gender of the speaker. But अपन को listener के बारे में नहीं पता, तो हम लोग him या her कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. Please take a screenshot of this slide. Take a screenshot of this slide. Okay, moving on. Now change in words. The words that we were referring to, correct? बेटा मैंने वही बोला, हिम और हर दोनों लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, एग्जाम में कोई भी एक लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Yes. So in the first example itself of direct and indirect speech, Nitin said, I am happy now. का he was happy then. तो जैसे now का then होता है. I'm sorry, I'll not show you the previous slide. I'm giving you enough time. Correct? तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Certain words in reported speech denoting time and distance like now and then, they change. Okay. Let us see the substitute words. So you can make a column like this in your notebook. Now का then हम लोग को मालूम है. Let us see again. This का क्या होगा बेटा? This. Very easy. That. Next. Ago. Ago changes to before. Very good. Today. Today. That day. Very good. Yesterday, the previous day, या the day before भी आएगा. You can just write it. Yesterday, the previous day, या the day before. Okay. Next, here, there, these, those. Correct. These, those. Come. We have discussed. Go. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow को today कैसे होगा रे? The next day. Just remember, you have to add the article the next day. या the day after भी चलेगा. The day after भी चलेगा. Okay. Next. Last night. Last night. The previous night. Very good. The previous night, the night before. The night before भी चलेगा. ठीक है. Next. Sorry. Now whenever there is this word sorry, we don't have to write sorry as it is in indirect speech. So how are we going to change that? You can't use the word sorry. So apologized. Sorry matlab apologized. So you have to just in your reporting verb itself you have to change and you have to write apologized. Okay. For example, Meena said to Sita, sorry. So Meena apologized to Sita. ऐसा. Okay, moving on. Thank you. Thank you क्या क्या आएगा? Thanked. Very good. Next, goodbye. Bade goodbye या bade farewell. Now here it is bad. It is not bad. It is bade. B-A-D-E bade. Okay, please make a change here. E इधर आएगा. ठीक है. So it is bade goodbye. Bad goodbye नहीं. ठीक है. Hello का greeted. Very good. Said good morning. Wished a good morning. Very good. Yes. Agreed. Very good. Agreed. Yeah, replied in affirmation या affirmative. Okay. Usually सब लोग agreed ही use करते हैं. Very good. No. disagreed, very good, or replied in negative. All right, please take a screenshot of this very quickly. Take a screenshot of this. I'll not wait for anyone after this. Please take a screenshot. ठीक है? Yes. So this was the major part of it. We saw tense कैसे change करना है, pronouns कैसे change करना है, certain words relating to distance and time कैसे change करने हैं. Okay. Now we are going to see connectives. Let us very quickly see. Now, use of suitable connective. The replacement of comma with a connective depends upon the type of sentence in the reported speech. Okay. Now, right now, अगर आप लोग ने अभी तक के जो sentences देखे हैं, उसमें जो सारे sentences थे were assertive sentences. I ate sweet. She went here. I saw you at the party. So all of these were assertive sentences. Interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Then we have imperative sentences. इसमें कैसे अपन को करना है, let us see very quickly. So that आएगा here. Now there are 4 types of sentences. Let us see the structure. I am happy now assertive sentence जो है, so उसका जो structure है is always subject plus verb plus object. Okay. The reporting verb said का said ही होगा. If you want to add or if you want to replace it with to is also okay. So said या told में से कोई भी reporting verb आएगा. Connective जो होगा, which is in place of comma that you can see here. Said के बाद जो comma है उसके बदले जो हम connective use करते हैं वो that आएगा. Very clear with this? Okay. Now let us see. This was very simple. This is what we had seen in all the previous sentences. Okay. Now let us see. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. Exclamatory sentence says that what a beautiful day it is. ठीक है. इसका sentence structure जो है, it is an exclamatory sentence. Clear? So we have what you have plus the adjective plus the noun, pronoun and then the verb. Here जो said है, okay, the reporting verb said becomes exclaimed. Now you can definitely add exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, whatever you want to add, you can add it. ठीक है? So Neha exclaimed. इसके बाद प्लीज लिसन टू इट वेरी वेरी प्रॉपरली. कोई भी कनेक्टिव कभी भी आता है, कनेक्टिव के बाद लिसन टू दिस, कनेक्टिव के बाद the sentence should be in the form of subject plus verb plus object. All right. So Neha exclaimed that, connective आएगा that, it was correct, it was. So make it into assertive sentence, जैसे transformation of sentences में करते हैं. Change the reported speech which is in exclamatory to assertive form. So the day was indeed beautiful, ऐसा लिख सकते हो, या फिर आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. Neha exclaimed that it was a beautiful day. It was indeed a beautiful day. Whatever you want to say. ठीक है? Now please take screenshot of the same thing. Please take screenshot. Just a second. Please take screenshot of the same thing. All right, done. We'll move ahead. समझा नहीं, मतलब why did we add indeed? बेटा ये indeed transformation of sentences आपको समझना चाहिए था. ठीक है? Kevin, I'm really very slow. ओके हम लोग ने बहुत ऑलरेडी स्लो है, मैं बिल्कुल भी रश नहीं कर रही हूँ. And there are only two types which we are going to see, so I am going to continue the lecture. Those who want to leave can do so. Okay, moving on. Now whenever you have imperative sentences like this, okay, imperative sentences like this, so Nitin said comma bring me a glass of water. ठीक है, इसका स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है इट इज ऑलवेज वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यू इज नॉट गिवन. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलती यू ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, ऐसा नहीं होता. ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर होता है. करेक्ट. इसका जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आएगा, अभी नितिन सेड के बदले में क्या यूज कर सकती हूँ? नितिन ऑर्डर्ड. करेक्ट. नितिन कमांडेड. Very clear with this. So Nitin commanded. So all the reporting verb that you have is ordered, commanded, requested, pleaded. ये सारे verbs इधर आते हैं. ठीक है. Now ये sentence में ordered है, इसके लिए सिर्फ order दिया है. Now the connective. अच्छा, ऐसा मैं बोल सकती हूँ नितिन ordered that bring me a glass of water. नहीं नहीं, it doesn't suit like that, it doesn't fit like that. Correct. Two. Very good. वेरी गुड. यस, आस्क्ड भी आ सकता है, रिक्वेस्टेड भी आ सकता है. नो प्रॉब्लम लाइक दैट. ओके. सो नितिन ऑर्डर्ड टू ब्रिंग हिम अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. टू ब्रिंग हिम अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एज इट इज. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस. बेटा थ्रेटन मतलब धमकी देना, तो धमकी थोड़ी दी होगी. रिक्वेस्ट किया होगा, ऑर्डर किया होगा, कमांड किया होगा, पूछा होगा. सो नितिन आस्क्ड टू ब्रिंग हिम अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. आस्क्ड भी चलता है इधर. ठीक है, बट आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो इसीलिए हम यूजुअली बोलते भी नहीं है. ओके, द लास्ट पार्ट, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. वी हैव टू टाइप्स. ओके, एक होता है आर यू बिजी. अभी रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन है, इसका आंसर यस या नो में आता है. करेक्ट. और दूसरा टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस है जिसमें WH क्वेश्चन होता है. अथर्व प्लीज फोकस हियर, आफ्टर दैट मैं आपका डाउट सॉल्व करेगी. ठीक है, अभी ये खत्म हो जाने दो. ओके, नाउ नेहा सेड. कभी भी इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब होगा आस्क्ड या इंटरोगेटेड. इंटरोगेटेड यूजुअली यूज नहीं करते. ठीक है. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर दोनों का देख लेते हैं पहले. इट इज ऑलवेज वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट in the first case and your WH word plus the verb and the subject. Now reporting verb, please listen to this very properly. Reporting verb दोनों में asked होगा. नेहा asked होगा. ठीक है. So here we see that asked होगा. After that, now are you busy? नेहा asked if या whether. So connective in the first sentence is if या whether. If reported speech is a yes or no question, then the connective is going to be if या whether. Please look at the spelling of whether. It is WHETHER. All right. So Neha asked if. Now are you busy? Now you could be a boy or a girl, female or male. So Neha asked if. अच्छा हाँ, इसमें कनेक्टिव ही नहीं आएगा, WH वर्ड. अच्छा, आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो नेहा सेड, सॉरी, नेहा आस्क्ड दैट वेयर. दैट और वेयर दोनों सबऑर्डिनेटर्स है, दोनों बाजू बाजू में नहीं आ सकते. ठीक है. सो लेट अस लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. ओके, नाउ सी. If he was busy and where her books were. Change interrogative reported speech to assertive. All right. I again repeat, if you actually go to see, let me see. देखो ये if है, ये अपना कनेक्टिव है. नीचे where है, वो अपना कनेक्टिव है. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो सेंटेंस होता है बेटा, वो हमेशा assertive में होता है. It means that it should be subject plus verb plus object. Okay, verb plus subject नहीं होना चाहिए, subject plus verb होना चाहिए. Very clear. So if he was busy and Neha asked where her books were. Clear with this? Please take a screenshot of this thing. Yes, Neha, question is also correct. Okay, please take a screenshot of this thing, and here we have finished with your topic, direct and indirect speech. Okay, bye everyone, take care. Alright, if anybody has doubts now, others can leave. Those who have doubts can wait behind. जल्दी से clear कर देते हैं, ठीक है? Others can leave. अच्छा, अथर्व को exclamatory नहीं समझाता. We will go back and just connective part समझा देती हूँ. Connective देखो बेटा, assertive sentence में हमेशा that रहता है. Exclamatory में भी ऐसा ही होता है कि that हम लोग use करते हैं. Exclaimed that. ना मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि that जो होता है ना, that उसमें let us see, wait. This one. No, I'm not giving any homework right now, don't worry. Yes. Kabhi bhi. Which are the two types of questions? The two types of questions are rhetorical and WH question. ठीक है? अथर्व, this is for you. Exclamatory में सबसे पहले what a beautiful day it is अपना question है. अभी इसका फॉर्म जाने दो. Right now don't look at the structure. इसका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब क्या होगा? said का exclaimed हो जाएगा. हमेशा ये पक्का है, ठीक है? Now अभी अगर कनेक्टिव जो है वो भी दैट का दैट रहेगा, बट मैंने चिल्ला चिल्ला के 2 बार बोला है कि दैट के बाद या कोई भी कनेक्टिव, आप कोई भी कनेक्टिव अगर यूज कर रहे हो तो कनेक्टिव के बाद का जो सेंटेंस होता है दैट शुड कंपल्सरी फॉलो सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्मेट. ठीक है, तो व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे ऐसा नहीं होता, नेहा एक्सक्लेम्ड दैट व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे इट इज, ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते. ठीक है, तो इसमें सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं, उसका हो जाता है इट was a beautiful day, it was indeed a beautiful day. Now if you want to understand how I have done it was a beautiful day, okay, you have to go back and revise your transformation of sentences. ठीक है, उसमें ये है. Okay, now Neha exclaimed it is a very beautiful day. Adarsh my dear, you are incorrect. Why? Because आपने ट्रांसफॉर्म तो किया करेक्टली, बट अपन डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट में कर रहे हैं, तो टेंस तो चेंज करना ही पड़ता है. ओके, सो इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, इट वाज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डे, इंडीड ब्यूटीफुल, रियली ब्यूटीफुल, कुछ भी डालो वो चलेगा. ओके, so the day was indeed beautiful, या it was indeed a beautiful day, कुछ भी करो, करेक्ट है आंसर. The point is कोई भी connective के बाद it should be subject plus verb plus object. अथर्व, am I clear to you? अच्छा, रुद्राक्षी का डाउट है कि अगर might वुड अगर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में है, मतलब डायरेक्ट स्पीच में है, तो वो एज इट इज रहेगा, उसका कुछ चेंज नहीं है. ठीक है, तो माइट का माइट, वुड का वुड, शुड का शुड, कुड का कुड, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है, वेरी क्लियर विद दिस गाइस? एनीथिंग एल्स? ओके, thank you very much everyone, take care, stay safe, bye bye.